Guys, parcel na naman tayo, guys. Ano kaya tong parcel na to? Unboxing. Okay, thank you so much. Mariel. Ayan, guys. Puro tayo parcel, guys. Salamat. Another 198 parcel, guys. By daughter parcel. Check this parcel, guys. Puro tayo parcel ang inaabot sa vacation. Ito daw sa anak ko, 198. Buksan na natin to. Aba, nag-order yung anak ko, guys. Parcel. May pang-vlog na tayo. What is this? Ayun. Naman, dami niya na sando. Nag-order ulit. Why? My daughter, no, always ordering. But because I buy already too much like this. Oh, see? So now, I cannot buy in Taiwan like this. Because my daughter always order in Shopee. So ito ang ating parcel. Pinuksan ko na yung parcel ng anak ko, guys. 198, guys. 198. Thanks for watching.